Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone black screen in easy steps. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone. Press power button plus volume up, then slide to power off, then back in, back on again. Step 2. Charge your iPhone for 20 minutes. First plug it into a wall charger, not power bank. Second, wait at least 20 minutes. Third, if the screen is still black, force restart again while it's charging. Step 3. Check for screen damage. First, shine a flashlight at the screen. Second, if you can see faint icons or the display is dim, your backlight may be damaged. Third, in that case, you will need screen repair. Step 4. Connect to a computer. First, connect iPhone to Mac or Windows PC. Second, open Finder Mac or iTunes Windows. Third, if your iPhone appears, update it. 4. If not, put it in recovery mode using force restart keys. Step 5. When to visit Apple Store. Go to an Apple Store or repair center if screen is black but phone vibrates. iPhone heats up while screen stays black. It won't show up on computer. It dropped or got wet, and that's it. Try those quick fixes and your iPhone should be back from the black screen problem. I hope you like this video. Find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.